Welcome everyone, this is Dominion Tech and today we are going to design this church flyer. Without wasting much of our time, let's dive into Pixellab. So I'll be going to my Pixellab. I open my Pixellab and the size we are going to use for this design is 1280 by 1500. So I'm going to post it right now. Please don't worry, I will provide all the resources you are going to use for the tutorial, and if there's any question along the while the tutorial is going on, just ask me. I will reply you, and don't worry, there will be a space for your assignment where there will be review for your design because you are going to create your own sample, you are going to create your own design, so I will review it. So without wasting much of our time, let's move on. So the first thing we are going to do now is to import the background we want to use, and here like I said earlier, to import, click on this one, then we see import. Let's import the background we want to use. This is the background we want to use, so I put it, then I resize it, so you can see how I resize it now. So I can just lock it not to disturb. The next thing we want to do now is to import another image for our background. I have clicked on the screen, then import as well, then import. Here is the image we still want to use. This one, I want to use this image, so I will increase the size like this. Then the next thing I want to do is that I will go to my eraser. Just go to the left, you will see eraser, go to eraser, increase the size of the eraser, then increase the blur, then you can now clear it. So just clear it like this so that it will blend. So click on the map, you can now see it. Let's erase the black away. So I think it's okay like this. So the next thing now we want to do, you can lock this one, lock it. The next thing we want to do now is to import the dove we want to use. Here is the dove. I have removed the background, so just press the dove. We are going to reduce the size of the dove to something like this. I think let's change this one, let's reposition this one to left a little bit. Okay, click on this mark, then let me check the size of the dove. I think it will be okay like this. Okay, so you can lock it, but before that, let's try and rotate it a little bit. Rotate it, something like this is okay. So you can now bring it here. I think the rotation is too much. Okay, 25 is okay. Then change this, move this one so that the sun can show. Sorry, move it to the left so that the sun can show. Okay, it's okay like this. Then reduce the opacity of your dove to something like 60, I think 62. Okay, now it's good like this. So the next thing I want to do now is that the image you use, this blue image you use, you are going to duplicate it. Let's copy it now. Copy. You can see I have duplicated. The next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to reduce the opacity. You can see that one is now at the top. I'm going right away to opacity. Then I will change the opacity to something like 62. Click on the dove. Let's reduce the opacity. Is it the opacity? Let me check. Okay, let's check the opacity of the dove. Something like 37. Okay, 37 is okay. So the sun, let's reduce the opacity of the sun. So I think we should reduce it to 50. Oh, okay, 68 is okay. Let's leave it like this. So we are good to go. You can see now there is blend. You can see that everything has blended together now. It has blended together. So you need to understand blending. You need to blend everything very well. So the next thing now we want to do is to bring in our image. The image we want to use. Now this is the first image of the woman. So now let's bring in the image of the man. Sorry. Okay, here's the image of the man. So you click here to change its horizontal position. So I click it now, you can see it changed it horizontally. So they must be aligned. So okay, like this. So the next thing I want to do now is to position everything very well. But before that, let's bring out our text. Go to this text bar, then click on text. the text we want to use is night. First, let's use night. Centralize it using relative position. Then increase the size of that night to something like, sorry, there's a mistake. Increase the size of that night. So I'm going to increase the size. Sorry, I have picked another thing. Night. Increase the size to something like 230. I think 230 will be okay. 230. Just be following along. Then the font, change the color to white. You can see. Then the font we want to use now is Papers. You can see, like I said in my tutorial, Papers and Popping, they are my best fonts. So let's centralize it, center it, center, position it center. Then the next thing now is to copy. Let's copy this text. Let's copy it. Copy. Then the next thing is of divine encounter. So to capitalize it, you don't need to worry yourself, just click here to capitalize it. Sorry, let me clear this. Click OK. So let's because of the font I'm using, let me reduce the size. So I have reduced the size, though this is not the font we want to use. So the font we want to use for this one now, let's move to fonts. The font we want to use for this one is Popping Bold. Popping Bold. I think it's Popping Bold. So we are still going to capitalize it. Let's reduce the size. I'm rushing because I don't want it to take time at all. Is it Popping Bold? Let me check. Sorry. Even though I should have bring out our reference. For you to bring in your reference image, I'm coming, I will do that shortly. I think it's okay like this. So it's okay like this. So let's bring in our reference image and check. For you to bring in your reference image, just import. Here is the image. Import. So let's you can see now. You can see I think we are still on the way. We are on the way. So you just lock it and hide it. Then let's move this one. Let's move the position. Let's move the position of this text. Just click that place, then bring it down. Position it very well. The next thing we want to do, let's turn on our ruler. Let's turn on our ruler. You can check where your ruler is from here. So you can just check it from here. So I think I should bring it down a little bit. Sorry, I'm not marking. I want to bring it down. So bring it down a bit. I think it's okay like this. Then the next thing, now close your panel. The next thing we want to do now is let's check the reference image. So that's another thing. Check the reference image now. You can see. The next thing is the shape. The shape is the next thing. Wow. So go to shape. Sorry, let me lock this thing. So I have locked it, so you can click anywhere. Then let me bring the shape. Let me set my ruler to align them. So align them. Okay. So the next thing, let me size the shape very well. Then I'm going to lower the fill. You can see I have lowered the fill. Then I'm going to increase the stroke to something like 5. Then I will choose this gray color. That's what I'm going to choose. But I think the size is too. The size of the shape should be something like. Okay, so let me check size. The next thing now, let's copy that same shape. I copy it now. Then click on this edit. Remember where we always edit. Click on edit. This time around, what we want to do is that we are not changing anything. We are just going to turn on the opacity. You can see turn on the opacity. Then go to stroke. You can see I have removed the stroke. Then I'm going to reduce it to something like this. And change the color to red. Is it okay like this? Red. I think this one is too big. Let me check the reference image. I just drag it to the top to check. Okay, you can see it now that it's too big. This one is too big, so we are going to reduce it something like this. Then click on this one to reduce it to something like this. Wow. Then the next thing is to copy this red. Copy it. You can see, bring it to the left. Bring it to the left. Make sure it is to front. Make sure it is well positioned. Let me clear this ruler to see. Make sure it is well positioned. This one. Okay. Make sure it is well positioned. Yes, but change the color of this one to yellow. Is it yellow? Change the color. You can change the color from the shape, or you can change the color from here. Let's just change the color from here. So we are going to use this color. Then the next thing for us to do now is that we are going to increase the background image. You can see it. We are going to increase the background image. I mean this one that we lower the opacity. We are going to increase it. Click on edit. Then let's increase the fill color. Sorry, let me increase it like this. Then fill color, turn it on. So we are now going to have something like this. You can see. Let me lock this one, lock these two. Then click on this one, take it to the top a little bit. Take it to the top. Okay, we are going to have something like this. This is what we are going to have. Then the next thing is that we are going to, before we even bring out our text, copy this one. You have locked all this text shape. Then copy it again. Copy it. Bring it here. Take yellow to red. You can see. Take yellow to red. Then rotate it something like it. Go to rotation. Rotate it. Rotate this one to 8. Then position it very well. Position it very well. Make sure you position it very well. Check maybe it is well positioned. It's not yet positioned well. So make sure it is well positioned, because those are the principles. Then you are going to copy this red one. Copy the red one. Where is the red one? No, this is the red. Okay. The reason why it's showing red here is because we didn't add the color from where we did the shape. So let's copy this one. Bring it here. Then this one is going to be -8. This one is going to be -8 in rotation. Okay, so position it very well. Let's position it very well. Ensure it is well positioned. It's not yet positioned very well. Check it very well. It is your work. Check it very well. Okay, I think it's really little. So here we go. This is the outcome. You can see that we are getting something. But let's now set the background image. So you can just click on this icon below as it's showing like calculator. Click on it. Click on both. Then click on this one with pen. Then click on this one to bring it down. You are going to increase it to something like this, then something like this. Then you are going to bring them to the top. Click on the woman to front. Click on the man to front. So this is what you are going to get. But you are still able to. Let me turn on the ruler and check something. You can see. Let's check let's check the position of this one. Check the position where the person is. I think then maybe we should change it to something like 57. Sorry, I have turned on another thing. 57 is okay. So you can see where this shape is now. That is where we are going to drag our image to. Click on the icon, then bring position both to that place where our ruler is. You can see now it's okay like that. Then click on the map. The next thing, let's turn off our ruler. Let's lock it not to interact. Okay, we have locked it. The next thing, let's now add our text. What is the text we are going to add to this one now? First, we are going to add these tests. The Sunday. Let me add text. Go to text. Add text. Edit. I have my text here, so I'm just going to input it. Do I even have that one? Let me type it quickly. Sunday. Then just September. Like this, we are good to go. So just click on relative position in center. Change the color to white. Then we are going to use this font. We are going to use Popping bold for this. Metropolis bold for this. I think Metropolis bold is okay. Then the next thing now is to position it very well. Position it very well. You can increase the size, but before we increase, let's lower the line space. Okay, so you can now increase the size. Go to size, increase the size to something like this. Something like this is okay. I think we are getting it. We are getting there. So the next thing, let's copy it. Let's copy. What is the next test? Let's check our reference image. Sorry, I didn't want it. So 15th September 15 2025. Let's edit it. 15th 2025. So let's make sure everything is well positioned. Position it very well. And this also position it very well. I think the position is okay. Okay, so the next thing now is to copy this text again. Copy it. Sorry, I click on edit. I mean to copy, then edit. What is the text you are going to add to this? Let me check. Okay, Grace Worship, this is the location. Make it reduce the size. So sorry, reduce the size. Let's go to size, reduce the size. So something like this. Let's change the color to black. Let's go to line spacing. So space is too much. Then I think no. Let me check which font do I use. What is this Poppy? Okay, I think we use Poppy board here. So we use Poppy board here. Then let me reduce the. Let me check the reference. I think Poppy board. So let me reduce the line spacing. Reduce it. So let's change this one also. So this font to Poppy board. Is it Poppy board? Let me reduce the line height also. Okay, Poppy board. Sorry, fonts. Poppy board. Let's change this also. Go to line spacing. Reduce it. So 17. Let's check this one. This one is 18. Sorry, this one. Let's check. Okay, I think we are getting there. Then the next one is time. What is the time they use? The time is 5 p.m. Okay, 5 p.m. 5 p.m. to what? 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. Then let me copy this one. Copy, edit. 5 p.m. 5 p.o'clock. Oh, let me just call it p.m. So bring it here. Remember the rotation we use for that one is 8. So you are going to use same thing. Then change the color to black. For yellow, use black. For color contrast, that's things you need to understand. So like this. Then let's reduce the size. To something like this. I think this one is okay. You are still going to position the people. Then copy that same text. Copy it. This one is 9 p.m. Oh, sorry, I should have just changed only 9 p.m. Bring it here. This time around, we are going to change it to white. Then rotate it to. This one is going to be -8. So position it very well. So we are going to reduce the size. I think the size is going to be. Let me position it first. I'm coming. Don't worry, we are still going to adjust something there. this one, so let's reduce the size by 1. Okay. Then this one we are going to place align to left. We change that one to left. Still not positioned very well. Make sure it is positioned properly. Then let's now adjust this image now. Let's click on this woman to adjust it. Then this man, adjust it. This woman, click on this woman, adjust it like this. They must have the same height. I think this is okay. I think it's okay like this. So let's lock it. Let's check the reference image. So the reference image. Okay. The size of that image, I think the size is big. It's too big. So let's reduce this. Click on. I have locked it. Click on this one. Reduce it a bit. Go to size. Reduce the size. So you can see. Let me show you some trick. Remember, I think I have said it in one of my tutorials. See the one you resize. You want to use the one you resize, copy it. If you see there is a difference between the one you resize and the one, so the one you resize will lose quality. So what you just need to do is delete the one you resize, delete it, then use the one that you copy. Let me turn on my ruler. So use the one that you copy. Okay, so this one also, let's reduce the woman also. Let's reduce the size of this woman. Reduce it. Also then, we are not going to use the one, let's copy it, then delete this one. We are going to use the one we copy. Sorry, to back. Let me take it back to the front. And this one should be like this. Let me set it. I just make sure everything is set very well. The reason we are having this like this is because we are yet to align. This. But don't worry, everything we will do it shortly. Turn on the ruler to see maybe their work position. Just make sure you position it very well. Okay, I think it's okay like this. So let's lock it. But if you can see we haven't blended it, let's close our ruler. The next thing now, before we even blend it, let's go to this arrow. Click on this arrow. We want to do arrow. Click on arrow. This is the arrow we are going to use. Then you can see the beginning. I have changed the beginning. You can see what I pick. Then the end. This is the arrow I pick at the end. But this is not the arrow I'm going to use. I'm going to pick this one. I'm going to pick this one. Then I'm going to reduce the size. Then reduce the size of this thing. Reduce the size to something smaller. Let's check it. Let's rotate it. Before, let's position it. Oh, you can see it has a stroke. Go back, go to edit, then go to stroke. Reduce the stroke to final. Then you can just maybe size of this. The size is too big, so let's lower the size. I'll bring it here, then rotate it. Let's rotate it. It's going to be maybe for the duration of the. Let's reduce the size for the time. It's just going to be as a pointing arrow. It's too big. I think it's too big, but let's position it first. Okay, it's okay like this. So I think our design is coming out a little. Then let's blend this image now. Go to shape, click on shape. Then you are going to click on field, color field. Click on gradient. This is the gradient we are going to use. This is the color. We still use the blue color. So we are just going to reduce. We are going to reduce it. Reduce it. Increase it. Then copy it again. Bring it here. Copy it again. Bring it here. Oh, I think it's okay. So, but there's a mistake. If you check very well, if you check here, you can see that the blending is showing as if there is shape there. If you check it, it's like there's a line here. So let's redo the blending. Let me delete it. It's because of how we did it in that. Click on the shape again. Go to gradient. Click on gradient. Click it. Then you can just, if you like, you can just increase it from here. Click mark. Then and now reduce it. Because if you scroll it from the top, you can see it's not showing again. If you scroll it from the top, it will still be showing. So we are not. It's what you are going to do like this. I think it's okay like this. So the next thing we want to do now, let's check where is our reference image to front. Let's turn it on. Okay, minister. Let's write the name of this minister. Bring out. You can just copy this text. Oh, we have not it. Okay, let's copy this one. Go to text, copy, edit. This one is minister. Sorry, I'm writing the wrong minister. Color. This should be gospel minister. Sorry, gospel minister. So I'm going to reduce the size of it. To something smaller. I think like this will be okay. Let's position it well. Okay, let's lock this one not with arats or interlude. So copy this one. Copy, edit. What is the minister Grace Chuku? Then okay. We are going to show it two parts. Then go to this line space, increase it. I think this is okay. So then position them properly. I think something like this is okay. Position it properly. Then you can still copy this text. Copy, edit. This one is ministry. Color. Sorry. So ministry. Let's ensure the position is okay. You need to ensure that the position is okay. You don't just position it. Turn on your ruler. Position them very well to be aligned. Okay, then bring another ruler. Position it very well. Okay, you can see that it's not well positioned. If you didn't turn on that ruler, you want to know. Okay, let's copy this text again. Copy, edit. This one, the name of this person is. What is the name of this person? I think the name. Let me check the name. Okay, the name is Pastor John Adewale or Adewale. Maybe it's Adewale or Adewale. Okay. So bring it here. We are going to throw it into two parts. So you are still going to do the same thing. Check this one. What is the line height that you add? What is the line? That's -7. Click on this one. So you can just add that's -7. Okay. So is it high? Check it. Oh, our design is coming out. So let's add the name of the church. You can just copy any of this. Copy, edit. That's Heaven Grace Ministry. Heaven Grace Ministry. Okay. Bring it here. Click on relative position in center. Then the font you are going to use. I love using these papers for my church name. So you're going to increase it. Let's increase it to something. Increase the size. I think something like this is okay. Not to be too much. Then go to relative position in center. Okay. The next thing now, let's copy this text again. Copy. What is the next text? I think that's contacts. So click on edit. Delete this one. And this is the contact information. Okay, so we are going to rotate it. Click on it to rotate it. You can also rotate it here. You rotate it with your hand, you can see it here. You can see the rotation now. So you can rotate it here. Then let's check which position is it. Is it well positioned? I think we should increase it a bit. Let's increase the size. Okay, so turn on the ruler. Let it be that. You can check the ruler where is the position of that Let's check it. Click on the ruler setting. If you click on that one, you can see the one that is pointing on that. You click on it. If you click here now, if you now click here to check it, let's click it. You can see it's telling that it's at 9. That's 9. So let's turn off our ruler control. So I think it's coming out. It's coming up. It's coming up. Let's check our reference image. I don't want to just so turn it on. Let's check it. Oh, I have locked it. Okay, I think we are getting it. We are getting it. So let's position this this contact to this place. Let's align it with this. Let's align it with this. Sorry, it's too much. Okay, I think it's okay. So it will be a bit, just a bit. Let's check. I think it's okay like this. So we are coming up. We are getting it. So thanks to God. The next thing now, I think we have even come to an end. Just let's add this test. Look. Let's copy one of these tests. Copy them. Copy. Look what self. Let me check. I think look 137. Copy. Let's bring it here. Sorry, because I'm using it, let me use relative position. That's too much. I'll bring it here. Let me rotate it. Go to rotation to 90. Then I have to increase it a bit. Is it this font? Let me check. Let's make sure it's not. Is this here to be alive? Okay, let's check. Is it this font? Is it? Why is it not showing? Okay, I want to unhide it. Look. Okay. I think. Okay, let me reduce it a bit. Then take it to the top. I think this is okay. So I think it's okay like this. What is the next thing? Oh, let's copy that same text. Copy, edit. What is the next thing? Okay, come with. Okay, this one we are going to rotate it back. Sorry, we are going to rotate it back. Then we are going to reduce it. Reduce the size to something like 15. 15 is okay. Then position is center. Bring it down a bit. Well, design is coming up. 16. Click on relative position center. Yes, I think we are able to get it. Then there's this thing. Don't forget. Let's go to shape. Click on shape. We are still going to apply the same process for blending. Reduce it to the lowest. Increase the stroke. This is how you create a blending. Then go to blur radius. Increase it, and you can see it now. Then click OK. Don't bother about the color yet. We are going to do the color. So let's go to color now. Click on color. You can see this is the color we want to use. So now let's go to the left. Click on to back. You can see it has to. Go to back. Click on your layer panel. If you click on your layer panel, just scroll to the bottom. Then take it. You can see let it be below the transparent background. You can see let it be below. You can see how it affects it. Just see. You can see let's turn it off now and see. You can see I have hide it. You can see how it is. Let's not unhide it. You can see it has some effect in it. So with this, the next thing is just go to save your design. I hope this finds your way. I hope this is okay. I hope you learned something. I hope you get something from this, and I still hope that you are still expecting more. And if you have more interest, just let me know. I'll be here for you. And don't hesitate to ask any question or anything or any correction. I'm available to do it. Just message me and make sure you submit your assignment so that I can review it and correct something that needs to be correct. Thanks for watching. See you next time.